Here we are with another optimal training video. This video is going to show you how to create a crystal report that's connected to a HANA database through a relational ODBC connection. Before we begin, it's important to understand that you have to have the 32-bit HANA driver installed. This is included with the HANA installation software with the Development Studio. Once you have that installed, you go into your 32-bit ODBC administrator and create an ODBC connection to your database. You can find that in C, Windows, Syswell 64, and it's ODBC AD32.exe. And once you open that, go to System DSN and create a ODBC connection using the HDB ODBC 32 HANA driver. Once you do that, or when you do that, you'll need your server name and the port name for the server, and it's important to find a unique name for that. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and create a new report. And once you actually create the connection, it will show up in your My Connections. But before you do that, you'll need to go into ODBC and create a new connection using that connection that you created. I'm not going to add another one, so I've already got one in here. I'm going to log into the server. And so this will be connecting to our HANA server. Okay, so under the OSI HANA connection that I have created, it'll show you your schemas and give you a number of tables and views. I try and stay away from the views with crystal reports, because some of those that we have in here are actually hierarchical data, which you cannot do through a relational connection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull this BIMC properties table, and this will be a single table. And click next, and I'm just going to take the first few properties, the first few columns from that table, which are all properties, and I'm not going to do any grouping just yet. And I'm going to filter on the property type, and I'm going to set that is equal to, and it'll generate a list of values. So I'm just going to do property 4. Click next, and no template, and then click finish. So what it's going to do is create a report with the columns that you added. And if you want to add more columns, you can go in here and expand the Field Explorer, and these are all the columns that are available in that table. If you want to add more tables, or if you want to, actually if you can't see the Field Explorer, you go up to View and then you go to Field Explorer. Now if you want to export this to a Business Objects repository, you open the Repository Explorer, and then you log on to your Business Objects server. We'll cover that in another video.